Right, let's make a proper game pie. Hearty, hot, and ridiculously comforting. If you've got a game mix from the butcher, brilliant. If not, I'm using about a kilo of mixed venison pheasant rabbit cut into chunky 2 centimeter cubes. First, ingredients. Flavor base. Smoked bacon lardons, diced onion, chopped carrots, crushed garlic. For the sauce, plain flour red wine or dark ale, beef or game stock, redcurrant jelly, Worcestershire sauce. Herbs, bay leaves, thyme, rosemary. Pastry. Puff pastry, beaten egg. Now the filling, low and slow, is the secret. Get a heavy pan hot, a slick of oil in, and brown the game in batches. Don't crowd the pan. I want deep golden color, not steamed meat. Season lightly as you go. Once each batch is browned, out it comes to rest. Same pan, flavor lives here. In go the bacon lardons. Fry until crisp and the fat renders. Add onion, add carrot, cook until softened and lightly golden. Garlic in for the last minute so it doesn't burn. Now, sprinkle in the flour, stir and cook for 1 minute. That raw flour taste needs to go. Deglaze with the red wine, scraping up those gorgeous browned bits. Let it bubble for a minute, then in with the stock. Stir until smooth. Return the browned game to the pan. Add bay leaves, add thyme, add redcurrant jelly, add Worcestershire sauce. Bring to a gentle simmer, lid on, and cook low and slow for 1.5 to 2 hours until the meat is fork tender and the sauce is glossy and rich. Critical step, let the filling cool completely. If it's hot, it'll melt the pastry and you'll get that dreaded soggy bottom. Be patient, this is where a great pie is won. Oven on, 200 degrees or 180 degree fan. Spoon the cooled filling into a large pie dish. Fish out the bay leaves and herb stalks. Roll your puff pastry on a floured surface until just larger than the dish. Drape it over. Press the edges to seal. Crimp with a fork if you fancy. Cut a small cross in the center to vent steam. Brush the top generously with beaten egg. Bake 25 to 30 minutes until puffed and deeply golden. If it looks good, it is good. Pro tips: don't skip the bacon. The fat keeps the lean game juicy and adds smoky depth. If game tastes a bit strong for you, soak the raw meat in milk or a mix of red wine and a splash of vinegar for 2 hours before cooking. Pat it dry, then brown. For a restaurant finish, stir in a final spoon of redcurrant jelly right at the end of simmering. Just enough sweetness to balance the richness. To serve, I love creamy mashed potatoes with braised red cabbage or buttered kale. Big spoon, big slice, big smiles. That's your hearty hot game pie. Crisp lid, tender filling, rich gravy. Save this one for cold nights and hungry crowds. Now, dig in.